Hello everyone, welcome to Bodhi Surf Yoga. If you have an asana practice, probably you have heard already about Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutations. It's one of the foundations of the asana practice, and it's a great way to build the strength and the flexibility you need for the next postures. But it's very important that you respect and honor the level where you're at. So, here's an instructional video for you to find different variations of how the Surya Namaskar can be done and move to the next level when you're ready. Hope you enjoy it. Namaste. Samastitihi. Inhale, you're gonna take the arms up above the head, hands parallel. And as you exhale, slowly bend the knees. Keep the back straight and bring your hands up to the thighs. Inhale, lengthening the spine. And as you exhale, you're going to draw the belly in just a little bit. Inhale, curve the spine, gaze all the way up. Extend the front of the chest. And as you exhale, you're going to bring the hands to the banister. And you're going to try to extend the legs. So we're going to do modified downward facing dog. You're gonna hold it here for 5 breaths, breathing deeply. When you're done, you're gonna bend the knees a little bit, place the hands on the thigh, lengthening the spine. Take the arms up again above the head, and exhale, come back to mountain pose, Samastitihi. So let's begin. Inhale, raise the arms up, arms parallel to each other. Exhale, try to keep your back flat. Bend the knees a little and then slowly bring the hands down to the floor. Uttanasana. You can rest your hands or fingertips. Inhale, lengthen the spine, shoulder blades back, look all the way up. And as you exhale, again, you're gonna rest the head down. Keep your knees bent if that helps you. Then step with the feet back and come into table pose. Make sure that the knees and the hips are on the same line, and the shoulder and the wrists. And you're gonna curve the spine and look all the way up, inhaling. As you exhale, you're gonna continue with the back straight, curl the toes under, and slowly move into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to keep your back straight. Spread your fingertips and toes. Create length in the spine by bringing the tailbone back. And then, after 5 breaths, you're gonna slowly walk the feet all the way back between the hands. Take your time. Again, inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, relax the head down. Come with your hands on the hips. Bend the knees a little bit, keep the back straight, and slowly come all the way up. Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Inhale, raise the arms up, hands facing each other. Exhale, keep the back flat, and slowly bring the hands down to the floor. Hopefully the hands will be flat on the floor. If not, just press the fingertips or grab your legs. Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale, extend the spine, shoulders away from the ears. And as you exhale, step with your feet back and bring your knees down to the floor. But keep engaging your belly. Bend the elbows, 90-degree angle, and slowly drop the belly down to the floor. Inhale, lift the chest up, keep the elbows a little bit bent, and as you exhale, you're gonna curl the toes under, press the knees down to the floor, and step into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers and spread your toes. Engage the quadriceps, keep lifting up the sit bones all the way up and back. Relax the head, relax your neck, and stay there for 5 breaths. Once you're done with your 5 breaths, bend the knees a little bit, look all the way to the front and step with your feet back between your hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look all the way up. Exhale, press the hands down to the floor, relax your head down, back to Uttanasana. Inhale, arms all the way up. Extend the spine. And as you exhale, release your hands down, back into Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Inhale, raise the arms up. Bring the hands together and look at your thumbs. Extend the spine. And as you exhale, keep the back straight, gazing up, and slowly move all the way down. Hands down to the floor. Relax the head. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, extend the spine, gaze up. And as you exhale, you're gonna step with your feet back into plank position. Keep engaging the abdominal muscles, and as you exhale, you're gonna bend the elbows and lower down. Inhale, roll the toes, upward facing dog. Thighs away from the floor, shoulder blades back. And as you exhale, you're gonna curl the toes under and come back into downward facing dog. Try to keep your spine long, gazing at your belly, lifting up the tailbone, relaxing the heels down to the floor. Make sure that the shoulders are away from the ear, and count your own 5 breaths. Bend your knees. Inhale, step with your feet back between your hands, lengthening the spine, look up. And as you exhale, come back to Uttanasana, hands flat on the floor. Keep the legs straight. Inhale, arms come all the way up. Bring the hands together, gaze at your thumb. Exhale, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Inhale, take your arms up, hands together, look at your thumb. Exhale, take your hands all the way down, flat on the floor, hopefully right next to the feet. Inhale, extend the spine, look all the way up. And exhale, you're gonna jump all the way to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. You're gonna count 5 breaths here. And then when you're done, you're gonna bend the knees and softly jump your feet back between your hands. Inhale, extend the spine, gaze up. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, come all the way back up. Hands together, gaze at the thumb. Exhale, Samastitihi.